Thank you for joining the Talley Farms Box community. Our goal is to help people eat more fresh, local produce through a convenient subscription service. You can manage your Talley Farms Box subscription online by following these steps. Here's how to log into your account. Go to tallyfarmsfreshharvest.com. In the top right-hand corner, click on Log In. Input your email address and password, then click on the green login button to enter your account. If your password isn't working or you don't remember it, please click on Forgot Password to reset it. Once you're logged in, you can view or edit a number of items. Your next pickup or delivery day, your box size, cost, and frequency, your pickup location, address, day, and times, a calendar with your scheduled delivery days, or your subscription summary and recent activity, which shows your orders and payments. To learn how to skip or cancel a scheduled delivery, please watch the next helpful video in our series.